For maintenance annually on a system, we offer a VIP contract where we'll either do that on an annual fee, one-time billing per year, or we'll do that on a monthly billing, automatic drafted from your credit card for a small fee each month. With that, you'll get a cleaning and a system inspection and tune-up in the spring. You'll also get an inspection and tune-up in the fall, doing preventative maintenance on the system where we'll supply and replace your filters. We'll check up on the components. We'll wash and clean anything that needs serviced at that time. And then by being a member of our VIP club, you'll get priority service, discount on any additional fees and services that may occur throughout the year. If your coil don't cool, your heat don't heat, you should call Tom's Heating and Air Conditioning at 474-8850.